Welcome to our channel. I'm Virginie and today we're going to create an antique pearl design using French technique. These are the products I will use in this video. If we are working on natural nail, we would have to apply the urban graffiti base coat. However, on acrylic or gel, this is not needed. Cap the free edge before curing. Put it in the lamp. Apply 3 coats of the French cream from the nude pink collection. Cap the free edge before curing. I'm going to apply a coat of serious black to create a French. Cap the free edge before curing. Put it in the lamp. Remove the sticky layer with the gel residue wipe-off solution. I'm going to add a bit of its clear adhere acrid gel so that I can adhere the ring to the nail. Dip your brush into the gel residue wipe-off solution and then pat down the bead. Press the ring into the acrid gel. Make sure the point of the ring is facing the free edge. Put it in the lamp. Now I'm going to use the Mega Gloss to adhere the crystals to the design. I'm picking up the crystal with the dotting tool. Put it in the lamp. I'm going to add a row of micro beads around the fringe. Put it in a lamp and repeat the same process for the other side. Stamp the golden foil into the fringe to create a pattern. Apply a drop of Mega Gloss to dome the top. Put it in the lamp. Add another drop of Mega Gloss. Put it in the lamp. Now seal in the design with a top coat. We don't need to seal the micro beads. put it in the lamp. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it, and all the products used in this video will be listed below. Until next time, Merry Christmas and au revoir!